What does Canadian mean to me? It was one of the greatest things that happened in my life. Coming from a country where they practiced segregation, whites had all the privileges, the blacks had nothing. So I thought, with 5 children, I have to get out of the country. And that was the greatest thing I ever did.
If you've ever lived in another country, you know how well off you are here in Canada.
When you come from a place like Ireland, where there's no less fighting, you're very lucky to be here in Canada, where we have everything.
This country, I wouldn't choose any other country. God was good to us.